And welcome back to another video, guys. Hey, I appreciate you guys helping get the views up there. The likes also getting up there. Appreciate it. Hey, if you guys do me a favor and share the videos on your social media platforms, help me get the channel out there, boost it. All right, like I said, big things are coming for the channel, and you guys will see. I'm not gonna count the chickens before the egg hatch, but today's video, G35 is on his way to a shop, somebody I know, and we're trying to get the alignment done so I can get this thing on the road. Because as you know, I did lower it a bunch of videos back. I put the link in here also so you can see that. But yeah, on the way to the shop, get it back tomorrow, get it inspected, and we should be road ready here in about a week or so. So we got the car over here to K&M Automotive. You guys, I'm gonna drop another link for that video. He was a drifter in that video. My first drift event, that was last year, April, right before we had all that COVID craziness. He has his own shop. So great opportunity. Somebody I know who's gonna work in the car just like I do at the shop. What's up, man? All right, big shout out, King's Towing, my man Rudolph, got her here safely. We over here at NM, and show y'all a little bit what he got in here. Got a soup up top, 240 down below. My man in here doing some work. So, hey, again, big appreciation, King's Towing, get the car over here, and my man gonna do his thing tomorrow, get the suspension right. Thank y'all for watching.